Okay, the day is finally here to start prepping for the 2021 garden. It's the 25th of February, so we're going to start soaking some pepper seeds. You may think it's a bit early because the packets say to start 6 to 8 weeks before you can plant them outside. But pepper seeds take so long to germinate that I think starting now won't be a problem. And besides that, when pepper seeds or pepper plants are started indoors, they don't get like leggy and crazy and sort of unruly like tomatoes do. They kind of just get bushy. So it shouldn't be a problem. So again, we're going to start by soaking overnight, which this packet actually suggests. And then tomorrow we will plant these in peat pods. So I just have these little salad dressing cups, and I label them with what type of seeds are going in. Then I put in 3 seeds per plant that I want, and that's probably a little bit conservative, more than I need to use. But even if it's a bit wasteful, if some seeds germinate faster than others, this will give us an advantage because we can select the ones that germinate fastest and just use those. So I've got all of my seeds labeled and counted out, and I'll just put some water in these and leave them for the night. So just a quick update on the Aerogardens. This is a Thai chili pepper plant that's been growing for like 200 some days. I mean, it's a really long time. This says 22, it's wrong. And you can see if you look really close, we are getting a ripe red pepper in there. And there's a few more peppers. I've had some trouble pollinating this, but it grows really well. And we've also got the Defiant hybrid tomato, which just sprouted this week, looking good. And then the Chiltepin pepper, which looks like it's just barely sprouting. You can't really see it though. And the Rocoto pepper, same thing. And this is a Harmony hybrid cucumber, which has kind of struggled. It's had a lot of leaf dieback, but you know, it's got a new flower, so it seems like it's doing okay. All right, and now we'll check the smaller Aerogarden upstairs. Here's our small Aerogarden, the Harvest 360. This is all romaine lettuce, including the small one. They're planted all at the same time, but the small one took a long time to germinate, so it's a little bit behind, but you can see these are really beautiful, doing great. My pepper seeds have been soaking overnight, and now I just got done soaking some peat pellets. These are the Jiffy brand 42 millimeter peat pellets. I just soaked them for about 10 minutes in warm water. And I really do like these 42 millimeter ones better than the ones that you can get at like the hardware store that come in kits, because they expand better and I think they're not quite as dense. So I've got labels printed here, and I will plant the seeds into these pellets, 3 seeds per pellet, and throw in a label, and then we'll take these downstairs. Okay, we've got all of our peppers planted and ready to go here in our tray. Got a heat mat underneath. We won't run these lights for now. And I'm gonna put another tray on top to kind of hold moisture in, keep things wet and warm, which will help the peppers sprout. Got several varieties here. Chiltepin, Sashito, Scorpion, Trinidad Scorpion, Aji Rico, Lemon Drop, Tabasco, Cayenne, and a Rocoto variety pepper. So with this, I guess we're at the beginning of the growing season for 2021. I'm excited to see what comes of these. Okay, it is the 7th of March. It's been, I think, 8 days since we started our peppers. And if I take a look here, we do have a couple of sprouts. One is the Sashito, the Dragon Sashito pepper, and then one is a Trinidad Scorpion. I don't want to leave the cover on because I want these to be able to get light, but I want to see if I can get some more to germinate overnight. And I usually only run the lights during the day, so I'm going to cover this back up for one more night, and then we'll leave it uncovered so that those seedlings can get light. And then, oh, hey, Paolo. Hey, buddy. Over here, again, our Thai chili pepper plant is doing well. Lots of flowers. The plant itself's doing well. We still just don't have a ton of fruit for whatever reason. Got some lettuce sprouted. Our Defiant tomato looks great. And even our cucumber is looking pretty good. Then the Chiltepin pepper down there, I need to trim that. Some more lettuce, and then the Rocoto pepper. So yeah, it's beautiful 60-degree day outside. So it's nice to have some growth to kind of match the lovely weather we're getting in early March here.